My name is McNeal. I'm from San Diego, California. I'm a veteran. I spent 11 years in the United States Air Force, separated here September 29, 2014. Enlisted into the Air Force 11 years ago. I was on a football scholarship to San Diego State. I decided that my football career wasn't going to take off anywhere. So shortly after 9/11, I decided to enlist. I was a flight engineer on the AWACS for 11 years, flying all over the world. So Oklahoma has now become home, and it brought me here to the University of Oklahoma. I married my wife, and I have two wonderful children, Lydia and Soraya. Those are my girls. I love them to death. And they're the driving factor why I push myself so hard to become an engineer. I can show them that, hey, even though I work, any goal I set for myself can be obtained. What I did found in my research that they did offer the diversity, not being tailored towards one specific engineering discipline. I get a broad spectrum of all the engineering disciplines. And it became something I'm really passionate about. But now that I understand the concept of industrial and systems engineering, I witness it on a daily basis. What joining the Air Force meant to me, it provided an avenue for me to continue my education. It meant sacrifice, because there was a lot of times I was away from home and I had to finish my schoolwork, in a deployed location in the sandbox, doing calculus. That was not easy, but it took determination, and it helped me to find out who I was. It made me realize that this is something that I really wanted to do. It's not an easy degree to get by any means, so I had to work for it. It also sets the example for my children and also my family. I'll be the first one to graduate from college. But receiving the George T. Gibson Scholarship allowed me to pursue a part-time job as opposed to a full-time job, which in turn allowed me to study a little more, increase my GPA. So I'm very thankful for the George T. Gibson Scholarship because it allowed me to focus more on my schoolwork, as well as spend more quality time with my family. Thank you for giving to us and allowing us to be part of this great legacy.